Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to flip or rotate video on CapCut. So first open your CapCut and then tap on New Project and then choose the video that you would like to edit. So I'll choose this one in here. Once you're decided, then tap Add. Right. Once the video is added on the trackboard, tap on the video. And then on the options given on the lower part of your screen, slide it left. So slide left. Then you'll see option, edit. Tap on that. Here we have three options. First is mirror. If you want to flip your video from left to right, then you can tap this one here so you can see. And if you want to rotate your video for 90 degrees, you can tap on rotate. So we can rotate this one. Right? And that's how to flip or rotate video on CapCut. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.